Hello, my friend. This is a quick overview of our software. This is our business credit builder software. So once you sign up, once you're ready to get started, you're going to have access to a portal that looks similar to this. You're not going to have all of these different things on the side, but you will have this tab right here, Build My Business Credit. So you'll click on this and it'll take you to this screen. So some of the stuff is left blank purposely because I want you to see what it looks like when you don't have something completed. But when you do have something completed, it'll have a check right here, so you know exactly what you need to be doing um, and how to do it. So first of all, I'm gonna click on this, and this kind of just takes you through what you need to do in order to get your business set up. This is the very first step, step one. So you click on here. As you can see, there's like videos in here. You can watch these videos. They're not long. Longest one is probably going to be about 4 minutes. Um, and you just watch the video. After that, you put your information in, save and continue. And we'll also give you resources at the bottom of every single video. So that way you don't have to go out and figure out what you need to be doing. We tell you everything that you need to do and every step of the way. And now we'll skip over to, let's go to step two, step five, tier two. So as you can see, once you're building business credit, we're going to take you through every step of the way. We're going to get your foundation correct first. We're going to help you to get your business credit report set up, get you building business credit with tier one. And then after you get tier one and these accounts start reporting, you want to start monitoring your business reports. We bring you through that. Also, step two, tier two, three, and four. So this is tier two. As you can see at the top right here, it's going to tell you about how many accounts you need. So we say apply for three more accounts. In the first tier, you got a few accounts, and this is what happens once you're in here. See, every single one of these accounts, every account that's available to you at the level that you're on, we're going to show you what's available. So I want to show you something real quick. As you can see, there's a lot of different accounts in here. This profile that we have in the system has not been fully updated, so it doesn't have all the information in it. But let's go to the fourth tier. There's something real important I want to show you. So as you can see right here, this is 4 tier accounts, meaning that after you go through the rest of the tiers, you're going to be able to get accounts in this level. And these are 3 accounts right here. If you notice something different about them is that these 2 are recommended and these are not. This one is not. And the reason why is because you don't meet the system's requirements in order to get approved for this account. So we do not recommend it. But if you do meet the requirements, then we do recommend it. So another thing that we do is we show you who they report to, which is very important. The terms that they offer. See, this is net 7, meaning if you get an account with them, you got 7 days to pay it back, whatever you use. This is a revolving account. And we also show you if it's PG or no PG, which is very important. So that's very, very important. Another thing I'll show you, these are actually some of my accounts that we just added in here. But um, as you can see, what's very important about this software as well, besides, as you can tell, we do a lot of different research. All of these different accounts that we have in here, our team reaches out to all of these people, find out what their criteria is, and I'll go into that really quickly too, but who they report to. And we also help you to monitor your accounts that you get. So actually, I personally was denied for this account for a brand new business. And these are accounts that we were approved for with this brand new company. Now, what's good about this is that on your business credit report, it doesn't show you who you actually have accounts with. But on here, we help you to monitor that. So now you know that you have an account with these people. You applied on this date, what type of account it is, um, when your first payment is due, and how much you were approved for, and if you need a personal guarantee or not. So you don't have to go and research and figure this stuff out. We did everything we need to do, everything you need to do. We done it for you. So I'll show you real quick what it looks like once you click on one of these accounts. So it shows you the phone number, who they report to, a description of the company, and everything you need to qualify. So as you can see, it's not recommended for this company because with the information that we put in the system, we don't meet all of these requirements. This company says that we need to have at least $5 million in annual sales in order to get approved, and if not, it's gonna require a PG. So this stuff is very, very detailed, and you don't have to go and do anything. We have it all laid out for you. So that's a quick overview of the software. If you guys want to get access to this, feel free to reach out anytime and let me know, and we'll get you set up. Talk to you soon.